Now this is how we can undo in the iPad notes. Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, right? So there are some things you should know about it. First of all, if you go to the settings and find the multitasking and gestures, you should be able to see a couple of different things, and there is the toggle which says shake to undo. You want to make sure it is turned on, that it's green, because it just means that you literally have to shake your iPad to undo an action, and this doesn't really matter where you happen to be, right? Because you can always just shake it like that and undo your action. However, you can also see inside of your Notes app that we have the little back arrow in the top left corner, and also the forward arrow, so you can like go back and forward, right? Undo and redo, right? So you have more options in here. But yeah, the shake to undo is like universal. So even if you cannot find something, if you have that option enabled across the whole operating system, it should give you the ability to go one step back, right? So that's how it works. And also the shortcut that you are using on your computer, like the Command Z, also works on the iPad as long as you have an actual keyboard connected. So in my case, when I have the Magic Keyboard connected, I can press the Command Z and also go one step back in the notes or anywhere else. So that's it from me. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully you stay tuned by subscribing, because I just don't want you to miss tutorials and quick guides like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.